Bearish sentiment persisted at the Pakistan Stock Exchange on Thursday, and the KSE 100 index shed 96.2 points to settle at 33,836.61 in a lackluster session as investors adopted a cautious stance on the last trading session before Eid. The index largely traded in a narrow range between plus 116 points and minus 175 points, after beginning trading on a positive note with gains of 77 points and 1.4 million shares traded at the opening bell. The oil sector posted gains owing to a spike in global crude prices during the day. Brent crude was trading at $36.51 per barrel, while the U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude was priced at $34. Both benchmarks were at their highest levels since March 11. On the other hand, financial sector stocks recorded losses as Moody's rating agency had put 5 Pakistani banks under watch for a possible rating downgrade. Earlier, trading kicked off on a positive note, however, the uptrend could not be sustained due to somber mood and weak investor sentiment. Amid cautious trading, investors resorted to profit booking, which pulled the index down into negative territory. A buying spree towards the end helped recoup some of the losses. JS Global analyst Mars Muller said Pakistan Stock Exchange closed negative as the index hit an intraday high of plus 116 points and low of minus 175 points and closed at 33,836, down 96 points. Traded value stood at $36 million, down 15%, and volumes came in at 147 million shares, down 11%, he said. Overall, selling pressure was witnessed in banking and cement stocks where UBL minus 0.2%, MCB minus 0.6%, the Bank of Punjab minus 1.5%, Bank Alfalah minus 0.4%, DG Khan Cement minus 2.7%, Maple Leaf Cement minus 2%, Lucky Cement minus 1%, and Fauji Cement minus 0.6% remained negative. Moreover, Pakistan Petroleum plus 0.2%, Oil and Gas Development Company plus 1.2%, and Pakistan Oilfields plus 0.8% from the exploration and production sector went up compared to their previous day's close as crude oil prices edged higher in the international market. The analyst further added, moving forward, we expect the market to continue to exhibit similar behavior and recommend investors to book profit in the short term. Arif Habib Limited, in its report, stated that the last trading day before the long weekend caused nervousness among investors as on the one hand international crude prices traded at higher levels, but local investors were wary of the gap due to Eid holidays. Oil and Gas Development Company went up early on but faced selling pressure and ended up in a narrow range, it said. The cement sector registered price losses due to selling pressure, which had been persistent for the past couple of sessions. The banking sector also fell prey to the selling pressure, especially in the wake of a recent notification by Moody's for possible rating downgrade of top banks. Technology stocks posted the highest volumes with trading in 34.2 shares, followed by oil and gas marketing companies 19.6 million and cement firms 18.1 million. TRG Pakistan was the volume leader with 18.4 million shares, losing 6 paise to close at 25 rupees and 75 paise. It was followed by Haskell Petroleum with 15.3 million shares, losing 32 paise to close at 14 rupees and 48 paise, and Maple Leaf Cement with 7.2 million shares, losing 51 paise to close at 25 rupees and 51 paise. Overall, trading volumes decreased to 147.2 million shares compared with Wednesday's tally of 165.1 million. The value of shares traded during the day was 5.9 billion rupees. Shares of 340 companies were traded. At the end of the day, 135 stocks closed higher, 187 declined and 18 remained unchanged. Foreign institutional investors were net sellers of 287.4 million rupees worth of shares during the trading session, according to data compiled by the National Clearing Company of Pakistan. The market will remain closed from Friday, May 22 to Wednesday, May 27 to mark Jumatul Wida and Eid al-Fitr. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Comment your thoughts on the upcoming scenario of Pakistan's economy and the upcoming budget.